Somebody presented your picture in a shrine. Mado, and you are too small for this. Somebody presented your picture in the shrine.
Some of that problem you may be passing through, do you know that is not ordinary? That your marriage that is shaking, do you know it may be spiritual? Let me tell you for free. There is no way a man will just wake up and decided to marry a woman for short term. Ask me what I meant by short term. What I meant by short term is when a man marry a woman, the man will not plan to divorce that woman soon. His plan will be to live with the woman forever and ever until death parts them. But what some do not know is that there are forces fighting marriages. Marriage is a very beautiful thing as God made it. But because of that, Satan do not want us to enjoy in our marriages. That was why he brought troubles in different angles targeting marriages. That your husband's character change was as a result of attack from evil ones, and your wife's character change overnight was also as a result of attack from evil. But before Satan will get you, he will use his agents, and he has agents in human forms, and he has spiritual agents also. Agents in human form can be those people who do evil, who commit crimes. The devil will possess them, make them to hate you. You will see the person will start fighting you for no just cause. He will hate you and hate the very ground you march on. The person will start using you for practice, doing evil against you, against your marriage. And also he's using spiritual agents also, like spiritual husband and spiritual wife, to ruin people's marriages. Because this spiritual husband and spiritual wife you are seeing, they hate people to get together. They hate union. When they see somebody in love, they will put asunder. They might even kill the husband in the process or the wife in the process. They are ruining people's marriages. And this tactics the devil brought was new, because if you check at the time of our forefathers, they used to last in their marriages. They will live until they get old and die. But these modern people, hey, before you count 20 marriages, 18 has divorced. So for you to see that something new, devil is trying to ruin people's lives. So my dear, if you know about this, you have to be praying. Whether your husband is provoking you or your wife is getting you angry, pray. Is not ordinary. It's not ordinary. Oh. You may end up sending her away or running away from your husband. Before you know it, your life will be ruined. If you are a man, you end up following everything that wears skirt. And if you are a woman, you end up in prostitution, which is very, very bad. Before you know it, you contact one or two and die in sin. So guys, I'll play this video for you. This video touched me so much because I felt the pain of this lady. She has been passing through pains with her children. The husband left her and followed another person.
Where is your children? Come. Open your hand. Where is the father of your children? Huh? Huh?
We're no longer together.
When you marry him, how old were you? Somebody presented your picture in a shrine. Mado, and you are too small for this. Somebody presented your picture in the shrine. Who pulled out of that marriage? You. Huh? Who pulled out? Who is the first person that said, I am done? Huh? Who is the first person that left the house? Huh?
He sent me out, then I came back.
John. He always tell you that he is done, but you move out. He did not use koboko. He did not use koboko to flog you out. What do you want? What do you want? Somebody present that you are there. Huh? Huh?
He's the father.
I don't want to call anybody's name. You are too young. A young girl. Nobody's supposed to go to shrine for you. Some men and some women are wicked. Anybody that bring tongue and will say that your life will be messed up. I neutralize it by fire.
Amen.
By fire.
Amen.
Oh. Bring 400,000 and give her. I lose you from the bondage.
Amen.
What do you want? Huh? Do you want to go back to that chair? That chair is somebody's already sitting there somehow. Do you want to go back to the family? What are you telling me? How long now? 4 years. Try to see me one-on-one. Take 400,000. Dolitiel. Stop crying. Will it take you? It is well with my soul. It is well.
It is well
with my soul.
with my soul.
It is well.
It is well with my soul.
It is well
It is well
with my soul.
with my soul.
It is well.
It is well with my soul.
It's okay. Stop crying. Use this 400. Support the family. I'm going to reach you. God bless you.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you watched the video till the end. What are your thoughts about this video? I would like to hear you. I want to see your opinions, guys. Let's chat in comment section. Put your opinions in comment section. Let's discuss together. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like the videos, and help me to share the videos so that it will get to others who needed this video. Okay, guys, after that, remember to turn on notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you will be the first to see it. And see you in my others video. Okay, guys, bye bye for now.